Welcome to my channel, Dawn of Cooking. I'm Dawn, and this is going to be more of a vlog style video. And usually on my channel, I'm showing you guys healthy recipes and meals to help you get through your busy week. So let's get started. Starting the day off with a delicious latte, of course. This is a great go-to breakfast that will hold you over till lunchtime with all the whole grains and omegas and fruits. And just look out there, our snow is melting so quickly. You just wouldn't believe it, how much snow that we did have and how fast it's melting, and getting ready to enjoy my great breakfast. It is a really healthy one that I enjoy frequently. And my plants, oh my goodness, can you believe the jungle that I have? So I got to get some sweeping done before I leave. And I'm going to be going through the refrigerator, checking my list, see if there's anything I need before we head to town. We quickly made it to Costco, and it's always fun to go there. They always have so many great fruits and vegetables, and we buy them in the big bags, as you know. And we love to stock up because we go through a lot on our more plant-based lifestyle, and everything is really good. And oh my goodness, have you tried these shiitake mushrooms? They're so good in Asian food. Before we went home, we had to go to Starbucks because our daughter recommended that we get the matcha cold foam with the lavender syrup, and she said we had to try it, and I didn't regret it. So good. Homemade ranch and hummus and homegrown sprouts. I got some food. We're gonna go out and cook outside over our little campfire tonight for dinner, and spring has finally arrived in Alaska. So it's been in the 50s, which probably sounds cold to you guys, but to us it's so good and we're excited. So I got some salmon and potatoes and corn that we're gonna cook out on the fire. I thought I'd bring you guys along with us just for fun. Got my Uggs. I'm gonna put those on. Hopefully it's not too messy, but I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Don't want to wear my sandals. Here we go. Yeah, how am I supposed to get on there?
Come on up.
Okay, I'm getting on.
Okay.
It's my luxury ride. Okay. Ugh. Gotta hold all this. I'm not holding on. Made it down to our little deck on the water. This really sold us the house, having this little deck and being able to sit down here and look at the water. It's so relaxing. We love looking at all the birds and the fish and getting our little stove going so that we can cook out tonight.
Okay, salmon going on the grill.
This is corn and this is potatoes.
Corn, potatoes, and salmon.
All right, we got our Alaska salmon and our corn and our potatoes. Anything tastes better cooked on a campfire. So our first eating outside, having salmon on the grill, has been a success. What do you think?
Good corn and everything else.
Yeah. Oh, that was our first little cookout, so that was really fun. And you can probably see back there, there's a little snow. We might be rushing it a little bit, but it's really nice out.
We got a bunch of projects done, and now we're just relaxing and enjoying the evening. Now, don't forget, it stays light quite a bit in Alaska, so it'll probably be 10 o'clock and it'll still be this light.
Yep. So we were wishing we had a little dessert, but we didn't come up with anything.
Oh, s'mores would have been great. Next time.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.